In today's video, I am going to teach you how to explode your Shopify sales with influencers. We are going to set this up directly inside Shopify, using a built-in workflow that helps you find creators who are a good match for your brand. The goal here is not just to contact random influencers. It is to build a clean brand presence, define your offer clearly, and create a short list of creators who fit your products and audience. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to your settings area so you can access the tools connected to your store. From there, click into Apps and head to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Shopify Collabs and open the official app listing. Then install the app to your store. This app is designed to help merchants discover creators and manage influencer relationships in one place. So it is a strong starting point if you want a simple system that stays inside Shopify. After the app is installed, the next part is completing your brand profile. Take your time here because this information helps creators understand what your business is about and whether your products are a fit for their audience. Add details about your niche so your brand is positioned clearly. Include your product gifting options so creators know if you are open to sending samples. Then set your commission rates. This is important because it gives potential partners a clear picture of how they can earn by promoting your products. The more accurate and professional your profile is, the easier it becomes to attract the right kind of creators. Once your profile is complete, open the creator directory inside the app. This is where you can begin searching for potential influencer partners. Use the filters to narrow your results by platform, such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, depending on where your ideal audience spends time. You can also filter by location, which is useful if you want creators in a specific country or region, and by category, so you find people who already create content related to your niche. As you review creators, focus on relevance and fit. Save the profiles that look promising to your outreach list. This gives you an organized group of potential partners to contact later, instead of trying to remember who stood out during your search. That covers everything you need to know.